Here's how to live for free. Everyone's always talking about house hacking or they showing you how to do it, but no one breaks it down. Now, I live in New York, and when you do it in New York, the house hacking trick, it does work, but it might not always cover everything. So here's the truth. How to live for free. You're buying a house, a duplex, let's say $650,000. Now with FHA loan, you're allowed to put down 3.5% down as long as your credit score is 580 or higher. Now that equates to your down payment being $22,750. Now on a mortgage this size, your payment's going to be about $3,500 to $3,700. Now a 2-bedroom in New York is renting for about $25 to $26. Let's say it's $2,700, right? So at $2,700. You're still coming up short $1,000. Now, this is if you only put down 3.5. You can put down more, your mortgage is going to be less. Also, if you live in a basement, technically you can rent 2 floors, so it's going to help you with the mortgage. Now, this is only at a duplex. You can also do a 3-plex or 4-plex, and that's going to help you when you do it. But everyone talks about it, but no one actually shows you the numbers, and this is why I'm here, guys. It can be done. And understand this, if this is in New York, $650,000. If you live in Connecticut, if you live in New Jersey, if you live in other outskirt towns, it's going to be much cheaper. There's duplexes out there in certain towns for only $100,000. Now when you do $100,000, you're putting down 3.5% down, that's like $3,500. So it gets much cheaper, and that is going to allow you to live rent-free. We just have to understand it depends on where you live and how much you can put down. But it's 100% possible to live rent-free, and that's why I'm here to show you. I'm here to show you that you can do it. Hustle Tribe, thank you for everything. And also, now, I don't know if they're ready for part 2. Are you guys ready for part 2? Now I'm going to show you with part 2, I can actually show you how you can also cover your closing costs. Put in the comment section part 2 of this video. This is just a quick video. I just wanted to show you it's possible to do it with FHA because a lot of people don't believe the numbers work, but it does. But comment and put in the comment section that you want a part 2, and I'll show you how to actually add in closing costs into the loan and make it work. Boom. $22,000 can get you a house. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in learning more about real estate or mortgages, check out the other videos on my channel.